Hello everybody, what's going on? I'm just here to tell you a little bit about something that I just purchased for my fish tank. This is Imagitarium Aquatic plants. It is perfect for fish tanks. This is a really nice blue color. The reason I purchased it is because look at my old plants are kind of dirty, and they've been in there for 2.5 years, and they get hard to clean. I could use a sponge and scrub them, but sometimes it doesn't all come off, so I kind of just wanted to replace these older ones with a new fish plants and keep my tank looking a little cleaner and nicer. It gets a little dirty. It's like algae grows on stuff, and sometimes it's a little tough to keep with, so I figured that this would be really nice. So this is an aquatic plant. It says the possibilities to create worlds of wonder are endless with Imagitarium aquatic plants. They're perfect for designing imaginative layered aquascapes without growing a green thumb, and their lifelike appearance requires minimal upkeep. Aquatic plants also come in a wide range of sizes and colors, ideal for those who enjoy customizing their aquascapes. It says think tank. Aquascaping is a form of art that allows pet parents to express themselves. Best of all, your aquatic residents will love the home-like habitat you've created for them. Using your Imagitarium gravel or rocks as a starting point, you can begin to add varied gradations of plastic and/or silk plants. Layer your plants, some tall, some short, to create depth and beauty. Add some unique decor pieces and watch your aquarium come to life. Imagine a world of wonder. Lush landscapes, shimmering desert vistas, serene seascapes. Imagitarium helps you showcase the beauty of your pet's natural space with the tools to keep them healthy and the decor to keep them happy. Peer into the world of wonder you have imagined, inspired, and created until you imagine new ones. Maybe this is the product number 2088YHD14. For placement, simply press base into aquarium gravel. Care instructions: remove plant from aquarium and remove any algae or deposits with a soft bristle brush or cloth. So that's the way you clean them, with a soft bristle or cloth. But sometimes it's tough. This is, maybe I'm not as good with cleaning it as I should be, but I'm just you know what, I need another plant to I need to just replace them, and they were pretty cheap, so I was why not? I'll just buy a whole nother plant and maybe get rid of this one, because this one looks really, really dirty. It's the algae's all growing on it. It's kind of gross looking. Time to get a new one, keep the aquarium looking better. Now I wish I had bought one to replace this one too, but maybe I could do that next time. So, caution, not suitable for children. Rinse before use, inspect often, and discard if any part becomes damaged. This is distributed by International Pet Supplies and Distribution Incorporated in San Diego, California, 92127. Contact us at 1-888-FAQ-PETCO. Copyright 2016, Petco Animal Supplies Incorporated. All rights reserved. Made responsibly in China. DL000199. Mid-fluorescent blue plant, and this is the product number and the SKU number right there, so you guys can see it. It's in this plastic packaging, pretty easy to open. So I'm going to go ahead and rinse it, and then I'm going to show you guys what it looks like once it is in the tank. Oh, and I just want to show you this in case you can't see. Once the plant is in there, it has this bottom piece that I kind of dig into the gravel, so this way you don't really see it. It just kind of looks like the plant grows out of the gravel. Looks a little bit more natural that way. And I think this is a plastic product. So yeah, so I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to rinse it out in the sink, and then I'm going to put it in here and show you how much better it'll look than these yucky, dirty, older plants. Alright guys, so I just wanted to show you my plant come to life in the tank. I apologize for some of this. I literally just changed it. I rinsed it off, but when I went and took out my old plant, I guess there was so much dirt and algae on it, it kind of is floating in the tank right now, so that's what you see. But that's happened before. It'll just settle down. It just takes a little bit, but yeah, I just think it looks a lot cleaner and better than that older one that was in there and that had algae all over it. And the algae grows really quick. There's really nothing you could do about it. But yeah, like I said, you could take a scrub brush, which I've done, but it doesn't remove all of it. It still seemed a little bit stained. So I'm you know what? It's a couple bucks. Let me just buy a new one, and it'll look a lot cleaner. So yeah, so the next one to go is this one, and I'll be getting another plant. And I really like that brand, Imagitarium. I think it's really cool. They have so many different colors and styles of plants. I'm sure they have other decor and toys too that you could find, and I think they're really nice, and I think they're very lifelike looking, and I love the colors and the brightness and the shapes and the sizes, all really pretty. So no matter what kind of tank you have, they have something for everybody. So I thank you so much for watching the video, and I hope you guys found it useful. Have a good one.